I'm Canadian. I'm a singer and I'm here in Morocco on tour. I tour around Morocco, and there's a very, very important cause that I'd like to talk to you about, and that's autism. It's a very, very big problem in the world. 1 out of every 3rd person is affected by it somehow, and we need to raise awareness and raise funds and get people changing the world because we need it. And there's this very, very important cause right now, a really nice association called the Initiative Blue Heart. And if you can, look it up and do what you can for the cause. The person who set this in place in Morocco is Iman Haddouche, and she's really trying to work hard so that we can raise awareness and somehow change things because we need to. We need to. It's a big, big problem. So please do what you can. And here's a little snippet of something, just as my personal belief. I believe the children are heroes. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be. Everybody's searching for a hero. People need one to look up to. I never found anyone who fulfilled my needs. A lonely place to be. And so I learned to depend on me. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadows. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I live as I believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity. Because the greatest love of all is happening to me. I found the greatest love of all inside of me. Please do something about this.